Hello, in this lesson I will show you how to download and install FASM, also known as the flag assembler. So head over to this website. I've already provided the link in the file for you to download. So click on the download button or the download link, either here or here. And then from here, select the version for your system. In this case, is Windows. And click on the button on the link. It is a small file and it should finish very fast. So open the download folder and you can unzip it. Just rename the folder to a simpler name by removing the numbers at the back. Then cut the unzipped folder that has already been renamed to FASMW and paste it in your C drive. So now you have let me sort this again, and now you have FASMW, and the program that you want to run is FASMW, this program. So these are all the binary files, FASMW as FASM. These are the two, and we want to now edit our environment variables to point to this path. So to edit environment variables, we click here, search, right click and search, key in environ, and here you will see the link, the program. Click on it, and then over here click on the environment variables under the advanced tab, and then scroll down, look for path, and then here click edit. And now we're going to add a new environment variable, so click on new, and here you paste in this path. So go to this path, right click and copy it, and come back here, and click new again, and then right click and paste. Now that you have it, click OK. So now you have done that. So anytime you run the binary file FASM or FASMW from anywhere in the directory, any part of the Windows directory, Windows will be able to find your binary in this location. Okay, so now that you have added the path, you can double check, select the path and click on edit, and you should see there. Click OK. The next thing you want to do is create a new environment variable called include. So the reason why we do that is because when you write programs, code, you want to include libraries found in this folder. So that's why you need to insert this, create a new environment variable called include that points to this path. So let's copy this path now by right clicking and copy, and then now over here, head over here and click new. So click on new, and then the variable name is called include, in caps, CLUDE, include. And then here paste the path, include path, and then click OK, and then click OK again, and notice the include path is there already. So now click OK, and so now your FASM is installed. So in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to use it to create files. Thank you for watching.